Hey guys, so it is officially beanie weather. Woohoo! My name is Elise and welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a little power hour cleaning. I just got back from Walmart and Hank's gonna need to go down for a nap in about an hour. And I just unloaded what I bought at Walmart and put everything away. I needed some household items like dishwasher pods and some toilet wand refills. I used the Clorox wands in 2 of our bathrooms. I haven't converted over our bathroom yet because we have the plunger attached to that toilet bowl cleaner. So for now, that one's going to stay the way it is, just so that we have an easy spot for our plunger to be located. But anyway, sorry, this light's bugging me. Just got back. I'm gonna go and change really quick. Change out of my little headband and get some comfy cleaning clothes on and get down to business. I have some towels that I need to fold, and I already did my little chores this morning. And for those of you that don't know, I try to follow some of the Clean Mama basics. So if you don't know what Clean Mama is, I will leave a link to the website down below in the description box. But basically, there's some daily tasks that you're supposed to complete. So keeping your counters clear and clean and wiped down, and dishes, and then just like floor pickup and doing a quick 10-minute cleanup at a time. And it really helps to keep the house kind of like running smoothly. And I get asked all the time, well, how do you just like clean all day long? And the answer is that I don't. I just clean as I go. And it doesn't mean that I do get a lot of sit down time, because I don't, because I'm chasing Hank around constantly. But as he's making messes, I'm cleaning up, and I'm always trying to do something else. And then back to my power hour list. Today, I also need to clean all the bathrooms because it's Monday. That's another Clean Mama thing. So I'm gonna get all of the bathrooms cleaned today. That's my goal. And make sure that all of the trash is out, because it is our trash day and they don't usually come until later in the afternoon. But I'm gonna get all the bathrooms cleaned and then get all of that trash out. I already did a run through the house last night to clean up stuff, but I'm gonna do one last sweep of the house and make sure that all the trash is out, and also that all the trash is out of the fridge. So I'm gonna make myself a list after I change, and then I'm gonna get to cleaning. Okay, so I'm all done with my list. Here it is. I almost forgot to say what the time is. It is exactly 1 o'clock right now, so here we go. To start, I'm going to take off my duvet cover and my pillow shams here. And then I wasn't going to wash my sheets, but then in a couple of seconds here, you're going to see me accidentally take the pillowcase off of my other pillow. And I decided just to have the sheets ready to go and wash those as well after I do my duvet cover. So that's okay. It'll just be a couple days early for my sheets to be washed, but no biggie. I really like this duvet cover. I'm pretty sure I ordered it either on Amazon or Wayfair. I'm not sure right now, but I'm going to look that up in case anyone is wondering. And I like it because it has the button closure with the zipper. Sometimes that can get caught on the insert blanket. And then I cut a little slit in the corner of every corner, of my insert blanket so that I can easily tie the duvet to it. There are little ties on the inside corners of my duvet cover, so it makes really easy. And then your insert blanket isn't shifting around all over the inside of your duvet all the time. So I went to go switch the laundry and the towels weren't dry all the way, so I'm touching those up before I throw the duvet cover in the washer and switch everything out. But Hank's losing it. It's totally nap time. It is 1:06 right now, so I'm already gonna stop and get him to take a nap, and then I'll pick up with my power hour because I have a lot to do tonight with the kids. I told them I would take them to the pumpkin patch and pick pumpkins, and then we're going to carve tonight. So I really would like to get all of these little chores done so that I could just spend time with them later. Okay, restarting at 1:39, so I'm gonna go grab the towels out of the dryer. Having to take breaks in the middle of a power hour, I guess, kind of defeats the purpose, or really when you just get started, but that's mom life. I'm still gonna time myself and see how much I can get done in this hour, and I really hope I can complete my list. And I am very particular about how I fold my towels, so please do not try to come in my house and fold my towels or rearrange them in the closet because it will not go over well. I'm just kidding, but seriously. We have all bronze hardware in our house, so quick tip, when I am cleaning the mirrors with the Windex, I like to go over the faucet with the paper towel that has Windex on it still, just to polish things up, and it didn't really need it too much down here, so I'm going to really focus on using Clorox wipes to clean that, but upstairs in the kids' bathroom, I usually use the Windex paper towel to polish any toothpaste or anything like that that is globbed on there right off, and it comes off really well and it polishes everything up nicely. We had our first, hopefully annual block party over the weekend, and our bathroom got a lot of traffic because we were kind of the hub for the party, so I'm giving everything a really good wipe down with Clorox wipes just to make sure that we kill any germs that are left over. The only bathroom that won't get done today is my bathroom because Hank's taking a nap on my bed, but I'm okay with that. I usually keep mine pretty well wiped down, and I can do that easily when he wakes up. I find that my kids are way more likely to clean their ears if I have Q-tips out for them, so I like to keep a little jar on the counter for that. I'm just getting my diffuser going and getting my mop water ready, and I'm using the doTERRA essential oil today in On Guard. This time of year, I love mopping with this oil, the On Guard, because it just smells like cloves and it smells like fall and Thanksgiving and Christmas time. And I love it. I can't get enough. And that's part of the reason why I like using it so much too. And now I'm going to go ahead and scrub out my sink. So I'm using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser to get a head start on this. And this is just going to break down anything that's left over in my sink that I can't quite see. I usually scrub it every day with just Dawn dish soap. And the sponge I'm using is the sponge that I use for dishes, but I'm going to toss this one when I'm done scrubbing. I had to turn the light on there. But once I'm done scrubbing everything down, I'm going to toss this sponge and then I'll pull out a new one from underneath my sink. I keep them cut up under the sink so they're ready to go for the next one and I can switch them out easily. Now I'm just grabbing a trash bag so that I can go through the house and do a little sweep for trash in the kids' bathroom and then the bathroom downstairs too. My duvet cover still has a little bit of time left in the washer, but I managed to finish a few minutes shy of my power hour. So thanks guys for motivating me to get through my list. I got everything completed that I wanted to. And if you found this video motivating, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more like this, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.